All right. Welcome, everybody, to another quick session. Today, we're going to be doing the honorable mentions for the P2E Inferno Bounty for the Unlock Protocol Voting Rights application. So, 10th July 2025 was the day we had the judging session, and the winner was declared, which can be found in the sheets, and that is the one ranking number one. So now we had a couple builds that were looking really good. And so we decided to reward them with the honorable mentions. And that means we have a pool of 20,000 DG tokens, which will be shared amongst them. And those are the people with number two from two to five. So we've got two, three, four, and five. And so I copied the addresses from the submissions over here, and these are the addresses. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer the DG tokens to them one after the other. So typically I would prefer to use a smart contract solution, which I tried. So someone told me about this app, splits.org. So I tried to use it, but I kept running into some problems. I created I created this, which was intended to distribute the EG tokens, but for some reason it wasn't working. So I am now going to do it manually. So what does this say? Yeah, I actually sent 100 DG tokens to this to test it out, but it didn't work. I couldn't do so. Here's this distributed zero. So I'm gonna open this up in Basecamp to see what happened. So um, I actually got an error. Let me see, what address is this? Is it part of the BB6? BB6. There's no BB6 here. So this didn't work anyway, and I'm not gonna waste much time with it. So I'm closing this out and I'm doing it manually. All right, so let's go. Now I'm going to grab the first one, open up a MetaMask, click on the tokens tab, DG, send, paste the address in, and I'm going to hit 5,000. And while that cooks up, I'll do for the second one. Oh, before I do that, I want to copy the transaction hash so that I can share this. There's no quick way to do this, so it has to be slow. And then I'll paste it there. And then I'll do for the second one, same thing. Click on tokens tab. This is so slow. Obviously, I'm going to need to work on an application to do this a bit more scalably and in a more decentralized manner. But this is what we have to work with for now, since the splits.org application didn't pan out the way we expected it. So, yep, click on this again, copy, paste it in here. Thankfully, there's not a lot of addresses because that would have been painfully slow and repetitive. So, no big deal. Pending, confirmed, copy as well. And the last one. And now we are done. Confirm. Copy, fill, and then I'm going to copy this as well. And so that's it. We have rewarded the honorable mentions with a pool of 20,000 Digi tokens. And so there are four people, each get 5,000. And so you definitely want to hop in the P2E Inferno community. Keep your eye open for different quests and bounties that we have going on. We've got tournaments, we've got bounties, we've got quests, we've got so much fun stuff. We obviously educate our community on frontier tech like blockchain and AI. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely click the link in the description and hop in the community. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more. It's Danny Toms, and I'll see you on the next one.